Hello everyone, this is Tejal from Sunmodule Software and today we will see how to add sales order. So let's start. Just click on sales module. Then select sales order submodule. Then click on these four dots. You will see multiple options over here. To export sales order, you can use export to CSV and export to Excel option. And to print sales orders, you can use print options. To create new sales order, just click on add sales order option. Then search for the customer. If you don't get any customer list, then please check out my previous video how to add customers and then add it. Just select it. Then search for the project. If you don't get any project list, then please check out my previous video how to add project and then just select it. Then select the department. If you don't have department, then please add it through this add icon. Select order date. Then select the type. If you want to add new other type, then please add it through this add icon. Add some other details, optional details which you want to add. Then search for the product. Enter the rate. Add discount. Select the tax. If you don't get any tax list over here, then please check out my previous video how to add tax configurations and add it. If you don't get any product list over here to add, then you can quick add your product through this add product option. You can also assembly catalog through this option and you can select your product through the product catalog. Then just save it. On save only, the page will be reloaded and data is saved. And you will get multiple tabs over here. You can see transactions, tracking notes and audit logs against sales order in these tabs. You can also add email, documents and print through these four dots over here through all tabs. Just save and close it. Your entry will be created on the index page and you can easily view, edit and delete that entry through this action, and you can perform multiple actions through these actions given over here. You can quick search your sales order through this filter and you can refresh the search result through this refresh button. This is how you can add your sales order. If you get any query to add your sales order, then please contact us at contact us@sunmodulesoftware.com. See you in the next video. Bye bye.